safe and safe demo for you. And tonight on the BBQ Rando Ranch, we're going to have a battle of monsters. You know them. You love them. I loved them as a kid growing up. We got King Kong versus Godzilla. And this particular safe and sane firework is called Who Win? And it's from Miracle Fireworks. Now, I'm going to tip it up just a little bit. If you look inside there, you could see, right? You could see, there he is, right? You could see King Kong. And then back there, you could see Godzilla. Now, what's really cool here, number one, the artwork is perfect. Showers of sparks. Now, we're going to flip it around. Now, this side, we got King Kong. Would you look at that? Flipping awesome. On this side, it has the Who Win? And you know how it is, right, with these movies? You know, Tokyo is always like totally knocked apart. And on this side, we got Godzilla. All right, now, nothing on the bottom. Again, I already showed you. Whoops, there we go. Here's the top. So the performance says, and by the way, Ziggy's here. Say hello to Ziggy. Whoa, Ziggy, easy. Whoa. All right, it says Kong, green flame, iron flower, crackling cherries with green and blue. Godzilla, blue flame, blue spring, tri-crackling with blue red. What? Okay, now, where can you get this in Arizona? You can get it at Santan Fireworks, SantanFireworks.com, the #1 safe and sane fireworks retailer in the state of Arizona. And for the 250th USA, America's birthday celebration, you need one of these. As a matter of fact, you need two of them. You want one to light, and you're going to want one to put away for your collection. This is going to be so cool. So what we're going to do is when it gets dark, we're going to put them out, and we're going to have you vote who wins. Is it Kong or is it Godzilla? Off to the launch pad. Okay, so I took out Kong and I took out Godzilla, and I'm just gonna have Ziggy here move out a little bit. You could see what they look like, and I gotta tell you, these are made really well. It's actually soft, so it's kind of almost like a squishable toy, and they bend pretty well, right? I just shook Kong's hand, but look at that, right? Right? You can do all the sounds. Look at Godzilla's color, right? Look at that. That is really, really cool. So we're gonna take a moment here. We're gonna set them up. We're gonna light them each, and then I want for you to tell BBQ Rando in the comments who won. Was it Kong? Was it Godzilla? Right back. All right, you can see the box in the background that they came in. Here's Kong. All right, we're gonna light them up. Woo! We're going to zoom in a little bit here. Whoa, whoa. Whoa! That is an awesome green effect. Look at him. Whoa! Is he still going? Okay, he stopped. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Think Kong. Hold on to your vote now. Let's go see Godzilla. All right, so now we got Godzilla. I think that color is so cool on him. All right, here we go. We'll start a little close, then we're going to move back. Here we go. Oh. Wow! Godzilla! All right. Okay. Who do you vote? Who won? Who win? Was it Kong or was it Godzilla? What?